We were up early to make the ferry back to the North Island. A tip for ferry travel: you will need your own tie-downs and secure your bikes yourselves. Then Owen and I set off to ride around the back of the mountains in Lake Taupo. This was a ride I had been wanting to do for a while, but had not had time. We were finally getting to do these great roads. First stop was Wanganui. Then we followed the river up to Reitihi. The weather was great and the roads were fun. As we were only away for one night this time and had booked a motel in Taupo, it was good to be able to unload all our heavy camping gear. The bike handled better, especially in the corners. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps us out a lot. wasn't long before we started seeing the mountains. This was our first glimpse of Mount Ruapehu. Then Mount Norohoi and Tongariro slowly came into view. We turned off the main highway and cut across the top of the mountains to Tarangi. We gassed up there before riding around the back of Lake Taupo. We had a really good ride around the back of the lake, ending up in Taupo for the night. Tune in next time when we meet up with Lendine and Beryl and Napier, and take off for a wild day's riding and the fun we had.